Today, we're going to make another comfort food, and it's my version of chicken noodle soup. In the Philippines, we have our version, we call it sopas, and it's really good. And I'm gonna use several Trader Joe's items. Alright, let's get started.
The full ingredients list is in the description. In a large pot on medium heat, add 10 cups of water, then add the chicken thighs. We are making a 1 pot.
Okay, while we're waiting for the chicken, let's do this. Let's do our prep. Prepare all the ingredients. I have garlic here.
Make sure you watch your pot so it won't overflow. Let it simmer for about 20 minutes. We are going to use only 2 pieces of the sausage and put the rest in the freezer. For the turkey bacon, we are going to use only 4 pieces and the rest will be stored in the freezer. Now we're ready to cook. Transfer the chicken onto a plate and the chicken broth in a separate container. We just made our own chicken broth. In the same pot, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Then add the sausage and turkey bacon and saute for about 5 minutes. Shred the chicken. Now let's add the onion and the celery and saute for about 2 minutes. Let's add the garlic and saute for about 30 seconds. Now let's add the carrots and saute for about 2 minutes with the rest of the ingredients. Add the chicken broth. Since we are using 1 pot, let's add the clean eggs into the same pot, cover and let it boil. After 5 minutes, remove the eggs from the pot and set them aside. These will be chopped later. Add the pasta. Follow the package directions. If the instructions say cook al dente for 8 minutes, cook the pasta for 6 minutes, then add the chicken, cabbage, and chopped eggs. Taste the broth to see how much more salt is needed. For the seasonings, let's add the chicken base, ground black pepper, garlic salt, and I also like to add cayenne pepper, and this is optional. Add the milk of your choice. Taste the broth again to see if you need to add more salt. Add the green onions and then serve. Garnish with sliced green onions and parsley. We just made a delicious chicken noodle soup.
Alright, the best part of the day, of course. Let's do the taste test. Look at this bowl. Beautiful bowl. It's a big bowl. It's amazing. The addition of chicken sausage, garlic herb, and also the turkey bacon gave this slight smoky flavor to this soup. It's delicious. Wow. In the Philippines, we call this sopas. Sopas means soup. And for some reason, with all the ingredients that we added in here, whatever ingredients you put, we still call it sopas, just one word. Not chicken noodle soup or chicken soup, just sopas. Thank you so much, guys. Enjoy your day and take care. Bye. Bye.